No.
Do you have a break today? Because I feel like now you would take it if you have it.
No break.
Oh, no break. Okay.
No ads.
It's all right, but I just knew we were getting into the kind of the rapid fire round, and I was like, you're running out of time there, dude.
Yeah, we have a couple more stories.
So this is the part where at the beginning of the show, I was like, man, this show is about to go all over the place.
Really?
I mean, we did that already anyways, as we would, because we're cruising USA, just on any given day. But this is the part of the show where things are going to get a little bit wild. And it's all going to start on next level. I'm skipping the word in between there. But we're on Reddit now. And here we have a ninja cat, which I always appreciate the acrobatics of the domestic cat. Like, cats are incredible. I know you like your dog, Will. But you ever seen how nimble a cat can be? How the dexterity they have with their mitts?
Yeah, they're always perched up.
They're ready, man.
They find ways to get up there.
They're ready for anything, man.
Mm-hmm.
And
long life, too.
When you examine a domestic cat, you realize how terrifying the idea of a big cat actually is. And I'm talking about like lions and tigers and whatnot.
Cougars.
Because the agility to size ratio is out of control. Right? Typically things get big and they lumber around. Cats it's like they have some sort of better lubrication in their joints than we do. Like, we're just rickety walking around. You know, the type of pain you're in the morning?
Yeah, they utilize every part of their body.
They're so like tuned up with the physical world.
Yeah.
The way it's like the Matrix. They see the Matrix of movement. Anyway, so here we go. The title of this is This Cat is Ninja.
Whoa.
Now, what happens in this clip is the cat is not even really playing that game. The cat is actually playing another game completely. The cat is playing with a ball, right, on the side.
Yeah.
If you watch the first part of the clip. And it kind of takes a peek at the individual holding the camera, but then it looks back to its ball. And it's actually not looking at the person with the camera the moment that the object is flung. It all happens so fast. And this, boom, this like stuffed animal is flung into the air like a bird flying.
Right.
And the cat just wham. You gotta love it.
And lands perfectly.
It lands perfectly.
You would think just because look at the legs just sprawled in
like
midair.
The ability for it's like acrobatics, right? By the way, I got to give a shout out to Tim Fully for $160 Australian on the super chat. He says if I can guess how much that is in Canadian dollars, he'll send it again. I'm gonna guess it's 140 Canadian dollars. 140 Canadian dollars.
140?
Let's see if he sends again. I don't know.
I'm going to say 164.
Okay, we get two guesses. Yeah. Nice. Anyway, so thank you for that. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, shout out.
Your dog can't do this, Will. I hate to break it to you. This makes your dog...
I'm jealous.
This makes your dog look... And your dog, you have a nimble dog.
Yes, and also very tweaked out.
But still, this is nutty.
No, this is nothing.
It's honestly, for me, it's the reaction time. I know you like the landing and the body control. For me, it's the reaction time when you watch it in real time.
Yeah.
From the ball to the launch. It's like, you can't launch that on me. Like, I picture...
He doesn't even have... Or the cat doesn't have time to, like, get ready to jump.
No! It has to launch...
It just does it.
It has to launch from the body position that it's in.
Yeah.
And then wham. Like, you can imagine if
and
you
those floors are slippery.
If you had to play football against this cat, and the cat understood the rules of football, and the cat was the cornerback, and the quarterback is trying to throw it past the cat to get to you, the wide receiver. I don't want to jump up next to this cat.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
It's beautiful stuff. So anyway, they obviously evolved this way, and domestic cats still have some of that big cat in them. and
So this is a Bengal cat?
which is a little more wild, a little bit less domestic. But they would have evolved to catch prey and kill birds and whatever else. I don't want to be a bird around that thing. Then you're wiped out, man. You're done.
Yeah.
You're done ski.
Shout out to the ninja cat.
Ninja cat. Let's go.